Exam form is not. Indians can never be YouTubers. Okay, you can hear. Oh, so guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and you are watching Escapade with Sneha. So guys, recently I have posted a question, so please go check it out in shorts. Like, I would really want to know it from you all, and just please help me and please sort my things. I really need your help. So guys, moving to the video, I hope that you all have given your exams very nicely and I hope that you all will pass with flying colors. So guys, just let's get started. And also guys, I don't want to be like a formal teacher kind of thing for you. I really want to be like a friend, so that I can help you in whatever things, in whatever way I can. And it doesn't feel like I'm a teacher and I'm a student. I want to be like a friend, helping you all out. So I hope you don't find me boring. And also I love recently I like I don't know from where मेकअप करने का भूत सवार हो गया मेरे पे, तो उस चीज़ के लिए आई एम सॉरी, जस्ट इग्नोर माई वर्स्ट मेकअप. Like, you can come if you want to do a worst makeup artist video. Getting to the topic, and this is the mask. कोविड का टाइम है, please wear a mask, sanitize your hands, be safe at your home. So guys, now as you all have passed CSET, or you will pass CSET in just a week, and then your registration for CS executive will start. Now you all will be executive students, and many things will come in your mind. Like, when I registered for my CS executive, I was so confused. So I thought ki chalo, I would help you and I will just clear all the doubts which I had. Everything, nearly I'm covering all the things. I have made a note in my diary and I would be covering all the things. So don't get panicked, just watch this video till the end and let's go. Disclaimer guys, इधर अभी लाइट का बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज हो रहा है and I can't switch on my AC and I'm just dying in this hot weather. So please make sure you subscribe इस चीज़ के लिए please. चलो, let's get started. So the first thing which will come in your mind is registration process, that how we will register for CSET. So how we will register for CS executive, what would be the process and everything. So guys, when the registration starts, ICSI mails you, they also send you SMS. So there is nothing to worry about. You will get all the notification in your mobile once the registration starts for CS executive. And once there is some deadline, like if you want to appear for the both module, like I gave in November, so I'm talking about that. So if I wanted to give both modules in June 2020, I had to register till 1st December, like before 12 o'clock of 1st December ends. So I have registered on 1st December itself. So please make sure, if you want to give both modules or whatever is your criteria, you will be notified soon and I will tell you everything. But for now, just make sure that whenever registration process starts, you get registered, and you have to just go to the ICSI website, smash.icsi.in, and you will get the link. So guys, the next and the most important part is fees. What is the fee structure? What is the registration fees and how it is divided? So guys, registration you have to pay 10,100. You can also pay 10,600 if you want CS journal. So what is CS journal? CS journal have all the changes that are being made by the government and that which you should be aware of. It makes you aware of all the changes taking place, or all the changes taking place in your syllabus, all the changes taking place, or all the new things being added in your syllabus. So you have to, it just makes you up to date. So please make sure that you buy CS journal. Okay, so CS journal plus your registration is 10,600 rupees, and if you don't want CS journal, it is 10,100 rupees. So in 10,100 rupees you get your books. You don't have to pay extra amount for books. So guys, please don't just order books from the CS cart. Don't do that. You just have to wait and your books will arrive once your registration is approved. So we will talk about it later. So it includes, the fees includes the 10,100 includes your 1-day orientation fees, your pre-examination fees, and your books fees. Okay, it is all included with your registration fees. And also guys, exam form, for the exam form you have to pay afterwards when the registration starts for exam form. So uske liye you have to pay 1200 I think per module. Haven't written, yeah, it's like 1200 per module, and you have to pay from 26th Feb to 25th March for your June attempt, and for December from 26th August to 25th September. 1 month time without late fees. And if you forget, there is 10 days extension is given to you for getting yourself registered for the exam, and for that you have to pay some 250 rupees extra. So guys, make sure you just register yourself before the deadline, so you don't have to give like 250 or 500 rupees extra. And so this was it. You have to, in short, fees is like 10,000 plus 100 or 10,000 plus 600 your registration fees, and for examination fee you have to pay afterwards. Syllabus, we all know syllabus is like 2 modules. You have 2 modules, and you also can say 2 groups, and each group have 4 subjects. Okay, 4 papers. So guys, you have 2 modules, 2 groups, and you can give any group or both the groups together, and it depends upon you and ICSI and the timeline whatever they have, or like okay, so it just depends upon you. Paper pattern, most important part you will all want to know is paper pattern. The paper pattern is like, first group you have JIGL, that is jurisprudence, interpretation and general law. Second one is companies law. Third one is setting up of business and its closure. Fourth one is tax laws. The first 3 subjective, 100 marks each. For last one is MCQ based, that is its objective, and you have to solve it in OMR sheet, and it is also of 100 marks. You have to secure 40% individually and 50% aggregate. There is negative marking of 0.25 okay marks per wrong answer. So make sure you don't just do anything, you just don't write anything, because now your negative marking starts. So talking about the group 2, first you have corporate management and corporate management and accounting. Second one is financial and strategic management. Fourth one is security laws and capital market. Fifth one is, the last one is economic, business and commercial laws. Okay, so these are your papers. So first 2, that is CMA, that is a corporate management accounting and financial strategic management, is of 100 marks each, and they are MCQ based. Okay, they are objective based, and the other 2 is subjective, and they are same 100 marks each, 40% individually, 50% aggregate, and 0.25% negative marking per wrong answer. So make sure guys, kuch bhi nahi likh ke aana, okay, because now your negative marking starts. You just have to be more aware. Okay, next one is study material. Like, this is the most asked question for the CS executive student. So study material you don't have to order, you just have to get yourself registered with ICSI. It will get approved in 3 to 1 week. You will get your identity card, you will get a registration letter, and after that your item will reach you within 20 to 40 days. Mine were reached. I have made a video, you can just check it out. अरे वीडियो भी देखो, मेरे व्यूज बहुत हो रहे हैं. Okay, 6th one is orientation. I have made a dedicated video, a vlog to be precise. So you can just check it out what is exactly in orientation. So in orientation program you will get all your doubts clear, everything is clear. They are all renowned CS practicing company secretaries over there, and you will just get everything cleared. All the doubts that you have about your CS course, you will get cleared there, and you will get some additional knowledge also about what is being provided by your study centers or nearest chapter. You will get everything clear. So make sure, and it is mandatory, you have to attend the 1-day orientation program. It would be either online or offline. In the offline in your ICSI chapters, and online in your e-learning website of ICSI. Okay, so many of you don't know about ICSI e-learning portal. If you want, I can just make a dedicated video for that. So you also get certification. If you don't, you get certificates. Okay, if you don't attend your ODOP, you won't be qualified for giving your exams. You won't be eligible to fill the exam form only. Okay, exam dene ka to chodo, you will not be able to fill your exam form. So make sure you are registered, you have completed your 1-day orientation program. After that, it comes pre-exam. Pre-exam, same way, it is mandatory. You have to complete it. It's like 40 marks for each subject, and you have to pass in all the papers. Okay, then only you can fill your exam form. नेक्स्ट इज सेट ऑफ. व्हाट इज एग्जाम्शन गाइज? सेट ऑफ एग्जाम्शंस मिलते हैं, और ये एग्जाम्शंस उन्हीं लोगों को मिलते हैं जो एक साथ दोनों ग्रुप देते हैं. और इसका एग्जामिनेशन से क्या फ़ायदा होता है? लाइक सी, इफ़ आई एम गिविंग बोथ द मॉड्यूल्स इन दिसंबर, ओके, दैट्स द फैक्ट, and the results came, and in one group I scored 300, and in second group I scored 198. Okay, so I'm 2 marks short to pass. Like 50% I have to get, so 400 का 50% होता है 200, and I got only 198, so I'm getting 2 marks less. So, and in one group I got 300, so from my 300, 2 marks would be taken and it would be settled off. That it is known as set off. So this is what set off. I hope it is cleared and I make sense. So this is, guys, very important, and this is the privilege you get if you give both groups together. Okay, it is just settled. किसी एक में अगर आप फेल हो रहे हो थोड़े मार्क्स से, 1-2 मार्क्स से, एंड आपको वो मार्क्स इसमें एडिशनल आए हैं, तो ये आपका सेटल हो जाएगा एंड यू विल पास. Before CS Executive, there is no training. You just have to attend your 1-day orientation program and you have to give a pre-exam. Once you cleared your CS Executive, like once your executive thing is cleared, then you will have to attend a 21-month training under any company secretary or under any firm. Okay, so I am thinking of making a dedicated video for the new training structure which have been recently launched. So guys, if you want, you can just tell me. So it's just not 21 months. Okay, you have to attend a 15 days classroom training and 15 days EDP, okay, online, and 15 days EDP offline, that is executive development program. You have to attend these 30 days mandatory. You can do both simultaneously, or you can do 15 days your online and other 15 days your offline one. And after, you can do this training before or after you're professional, but you won't be certified with CS with your CS tag until and unless you complete your training. And then you have to also complete, after professional, you have to do a CLDP training of, it is a residential training, and you have to also complete that. So there's a lot of training. So guys, I will just explain it in another video very nicely. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also guys, I just want to make something clear, like you all subscribe, you don't subscribe, like 94% are not subscribed, and they watch my video, they ask me questions, and I'm like, see, I don't have a huge subscribers, like I will not get to know, but I get to know, like you all ask me doubts and you don't subscribe me. I feel bad, but what can I do? It's your personal choice, but I just feel happy if you subscribe to my channel. So guys, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, comment down below if you have any doubts, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.